Today's adventure takes us to the mouth of the Caroni River. It's one of the major river systems in Trinidad and Tobago. The target species snook and tarpon, mostly catch and release, but if you get a couple decent sized snook, they would be going home for dinner. Driving up the river is always very picturesque and relaxing. You see lots of wildlife, birds and reptiles, and the mangroves are truly amazing. You see a lot of these guys, the spectacled caiman. This guy is lazily entering the water as we approach. If you are from Trinidad and Tobago or have visited, you'd be surprised to know this is the same river that crosses the Uriah Butler Highway in the vicinity of Grand Bazaar. You will also be surprised to know that Trinidad and Tobago is often ranked in the top 3 fishing destinations in the world for tarpon. It's usually talking about the huge tarpons found in the Bocas, but right here in this river system we have an amazing tarpon fishery. There are not many places in the world you can book a fishing charter for 3 people at around $100 US and guaranteed to catch a couple small tarpon. This is something we need to preserve. This river, this place is amazing.
So we reached the mouth of Caroni River, guys. The place is smoked out. Can't see anything.
So sit back, relax and enjoy watching this adventure in the Caroni River. I have some pretty cool drone footage as well, including with some flamingos, so I think it'll be a pretty good watch. Got some nice tarpon on the end. Enjoy.
So we'll see how it goes, how long we can stay in this. Some flamingos up there. Right here? Probably good right here. Yeah. Fish on already, guys.
What?
Drop. Yeah. First drop. I'm on Nah, fish coming in. What the hell, boy? How did I drop? Oh! First drop, yes? That fish hit there as soon as it touched down.
Before it touched down?
Before it touched down?
Yeah. I said before it touched down, yeah.
Smoke like that, but first throw jelly got hit.
It's about 4 or 5 times, eh? Yeah.
Oh, next one guy for J-Lo. He landed on us yet. No fish on board yet, guys.
But I feel them.
Camera was off there, guys, because I wasn't getting no bite. But nice little snooky ram. You know, just fall off plenty when you're catching them here. You got a small.
Oh shit, bro, you guys.
First fish in the boat.
Hey.
Calm down. Baby, come on, Snook.
Bite like that, boy.
We could get us off camera.
Nice one.
He's swimming.
He's swimming towards the boat. Snap away.
Come out again.
Real small. Maybe I could pull my killer once I blaze them.
Ming have the killer, the squiggle, but you can't reach so far. Okay. So swallow that.
This bait out 20 minutes and for that.
Nah,
Anyway, so
the big one will
take
take it.
Go catch this small.
Now we're talking about that, go for the big one.
Yeah, fish on. I'll catch you small ones, don't worry.
Something jumping my arm.
Ming, scoop this one for me. Yeah, I had nothing in the trunk. I forgot to bring it. Snook number 2 for me, guys. I'm the only man holding them right now.
The only man bring
Go, watch your hands. Swing them.
Very small. Come on, Snook, guys. Very small. Where's fish?
One hit more right there. Come on.
Yeah, real small.
The hard one. I just breeze on the rod, the ring.
Right by that piece of those branches in the water there. The trick is to throw a line and not hook up any branch. And then catch a snook. Just like this. Oh, this is a micro. Gosh, that was like a really baby one. So let's try that again. Right in between the branches there. So we should ideally get a hit right there. Fish on again. Oh, so your line I catch that again. You on your line, boy, and he go swimming. Oh, your line stick me up. And your line stick on me now. Yeah, boy. You're a real piggy, boy. Oh, my lost stick on that line, boy. Piggy, don't cut your line next time. Eh? Well, guys, I had a fish there, but J-Lo's line unfortunately got caught in mine.
You bite on that side too? I'll just drop his bite there. More money.
As we started to catch a few fish, I wanted to send up the drone to see if I could capture footage with us catching a fish on the drone. When I looked at the footage on the computer, I was amazed to see the expanse of the mangrove. In the background, you can still see the smoke coming out from the fires that we had over the last few days. Truly amazing to see. In the background there, you can see the city of Port of Spain, the capital city of Trinidad and Tobago, and the expanse of the Gulf of Paria. You can see a tide line there. I think that's where the river water reaches out. Sea looks flat calm on the drone. And there's the mangrove line all the way along the coast. Pretty amazing to see from the air. I brought back in the drone, hoping someone could catch a fish on camera for me, but I end up having to do it myself. It's pretty cool, a little bit far, but check it out.
Just pull it down here. Snook on the drone, guys. Snook on the drone. My GoPro was off. Yeah. That's it.
I'm here. Perfect.
Breeze, boy. Yeah, but I can land it. You want to land? Yeah, boy, that was real close. That guy with that gun there one time.
Yeah, I can't cool guy. You get the case something with it?
No. I buy that. I can make some vids, boy, me.
I was like flying. Hey, look, I'm going to get right here.
Wait.
Oh, let me catch it. I'm going to get it. Come up. I'm going to go out. Nice one.
Wait, I had to back knock it up off the drone, boy. I gotta pay back up, yes? Yeah, I gotta pay back.
Fish, gun the guy. Man, stick your man.
Oh, Snook Master I Tarpon.
Nice one.
I on a branch. Fight him, they make fight him. Now take a power with the drone, guys. The flamingoes land and he cook a tarpon after waiting. Nice size fella, about 50, 40, 60, 80 pounds. Snook Master.
the anchor.
No, the anchor quite.
Yeah.
Oh Lord, you get away, boy. Me needed that for the video, boy.
Alright.
Needed that. Then you take my best color there, boy.
Even though I missed the top on the drone, the flamingos were in the background, so I had to send it back up. I had to get some of this footage on the drone because they were truly amazing creatures to see. Right now we are lucky enough in Trinidad to have a resident population of flamingos. This wasn't always the case. Some of these birds migrated here and now have decided to reside here because they like it so much. They are truly amazing and beautiful creatures. Didn't want to get too close because you can see as I approached with the drone how wary they got and they took off. Still got some pretty good footage, check it out.
Jalo on a nice tarpon, he just tie along the line, no leader. But 10 points, yes, slap me drag. Yeah, the fighting. Whoa, nice one, boy. That's 5 points. Bring that 5 points. Time fighter, them soon. What's your phone naming? From Jalo. Game side. Hey, nice one. Boss, your drag wasn't slack, boy. Yeah, no, boy, it busted. Nice one. We just came in the river to try and catch a couple of tarpon while we wait for the snook bite to come on. Snook Master thirsty. You got a nice one. Oh, that jumped.
Big one.
They're all around, in front and behind, and none right by us. You might forget to tie the rope, boy. Yeah, but now he didn't say all the way. Look one, oh, big one, boy. He too big for me, boy. And this small rod. Him look like about 10 pound, boy.
So big?
Look big.
That's big one.
Straight in front to the left. Too short, too short. Breeze push my back way. You breeze. Fish on.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, spit out, boy.
That one we can have bring in the boat.
You take it. And let's start to swim with it, yes?
You like that thing?
Let's wrap it. Slow. One right in front of your body. Damn, bro. Way there. Put it in front of me.
Still have line, but it'll be fun.
I don't think they're gonna run anyway far. Yeah, babe, nice one. Nice one.
How big that is?
The strike, give it him a next strike. And
He big or?
nice one, boy.
Yeah, he's not too much, boy.
Yeah, don't suck not too much.
Hey, fine,
Yeah,
isn't it?
yeah, you good day. Come Jalo. Jalo on a nice one here.
I keep going and
Yeah.
I got it?
Yeah. Once you drag not too tight. Oh, he spit it. Can't land one of these one at all, guys. Nice one again.
Come on. Bring one in the boat, bring one in the boat.
I'm gonna fight this fish, boy. Fight him, fight him.
Are you hooked?
Where you hook?
Reason me now.
Flipping me like J-Lo. One more jump and we go bring you after.
Bring one in the boat.
Alright guys, tarpon on here. Small guy. We got pound and a half max. One more jump. Oh, he hooked like he hooked real good.
Some big ones thing.
God, he swallowed.
Yeah, boy.
Yeah.
Real big, real big. Our chicken, boy. So what's that? The one I always see, like one we got now.
Just open my bag and have a as a plug bag right on top. Species are quiet, guys. Oh god, look, this thing right retarded.
Bite that thing back, came on.
Came on, bite this one when he was smaller, guys. Snook Master on one. Fight him. Oh, nice one, boy. I'm gonna throw back this one because he kind of retarded. Look at the tail. There he goes. Fight him, Ming. Snook Master, a nice one here, guys. Bigger than that last retarded one. I'm sorry to call him retarded, but hey, tail is destroyed. What kind are you looking for?
The one with the
Yellow one?
orange, yellow. Not the mustard, the next one, the cheaper one.
Yeah, so many bags, yes. Ah, get it. Fight him, Ming. You want to land him for? Oh, he on this side. Nah, you don't worry. Take how much you want. Don't worry about that.
No, hit the hand on the boat.
Maybe get some up close. One jump there, guy. Be nice. Look like a nice one, Ming.
Snook.
3 pound, 4 pound. Looking nice in the water there. Look on his side of him out. I don't think he's coming out.
You have a deadly hook inside him.
What'd you get out?
The shrimp hook.
Oh lad, nah, he ain't coming out.
Oh God, come on.
We want more jump now, we go land here after. Yeah.
You get tired.
1,000 for sure. Next
The
time.
next one is 2 playing in front of the boat.
One right there. Ming, I gotta leave you here to fight your fish, boy. I want to get one more jump, but he want a jump, boy. Snook Master. That's your fish?
Like he one. Yeah.
Well, it's fast, boy.
Snook Master here, watch he repping the coast same jersey. There's nothing on the back though, it's in the front.
Oh.
Yeah, he's fishing with the snook on, with the tarpon on. Gonna help him land it now, so I'm gonna put his camera back on my head. Fish supposed to be getting tired right now. We should just do one more jump.
You want to know how to make them jump?
Yeah, let me see. Take a bling bling bling. You go jump on the boat. Bring him across, Snook. So Master now 1,000 here, guys. That's why you had to fight him a
Oh,
little
you
bit.
look good, boy. He done that.
I have 3 pounder. Yeah, look on his side of him. Ah, nice.
Good release.
Good. Well, I wanted to hold him. And he come up and take it right here and my GoPro was off, boy. Can't believe I missed that on GoPro. Guys, if you see this explosion just now, my was just right next to the boat. This fella just blew up on it. Wish I get on GoPro, boy. Damn. GoPro's on all the time, no bites. Under the boat now. I just hook him by the boat so I'd let him swim a little before I land him. I don't want to rough him up, you know. So slacken the drag. Bullshit?
I get some little pictures.
Sure. Boy, if you see that explosion right there, boy. I think you want to get a TikTok video from now. Come now.
That's our regular video.
Yeah. Just get me and then get the fish. Alright guys, tarpon fishing in the river. Real Nutz chatters. Check the fish there, he coming up. You may do a jump first right now. Nice tarpon. There you can see him. Oh yes. Let's gonna land him now. Snook Master could just do a favor and record me landing him. Whoa! He might chief off any second now, so let me try and land him quickly. Here we have. That's a juvenile tarpon, maybe about 2.5 pounds. That's what we're catching.
Nice.
I'm gonna take him off and release him. Always release your tarpons, guys. Swallow. Alright guys, he's going back in the water. Nice tarpon. Not even first release. Thanks, bro. Bang right in front of you.
Yeah.
Oh, nice one, boy. This is a nice one. Yeah. Too big for this rod. Whoa! Hope I have a good hook set, otherwise you go chief off this 20 pound. Whoa!
Come on.
Nice one too, boy. Double header here, guys.
We fish at 1,000.
2,000. 2,000 dog. Whee! Nice one, boy. Hope my GoPro recording here, guys. Otherwise, where you going?
Nice one too on the side, boy. Healthy fellas.
Trying to see Ming fish too. Mine going under the boat. Ming, also how big yours is?
Oh, that 5?
Only missing a jump.
A 4. How big yours is?
About an 8.
Yeah, you're still.
Oh, no. Is that 4? Oh,
Yeah,
God. He did.
Swallow?
I got a real fight this way. You got a real fight.
Yeah, likewise.
You got one?
What you going to jump there? You going to jump there? You want more jump now? Ming wants skating off, boy.
Wow. I'm sure that 1,000 already. Ming. Want to go Chris Brooks, eh? Yeah.
Don't worry, I will control.
I know. I'm on that.
Jump.
Whoa, you get that jump there, Raamiz.
Yeah,
Nice.
Let's go, everyone jump now.
I need a little help landing this one, you know.
They're going to sit down and film it. I guess it's float like
Masalah mana pak bakan net. Pikir lan mo dia.
You look good, yeah? It's real healthy, boy.
Ming, I'm sorry I can't get your footage there right now, you know.
Let's make reference. I fight the one too.
Snook Master fighting one here. Alright, pull him up there. Land him.
I can't. Wait, bring him back here. I will grab him when he back. Easy, tiger.
Yeah, Raamiz, he coming to you there. You go grab him. Or he coming back up. Solid fish, boy.
Fat back.
Fat back is right.
Fat back. Push on his phone now.
Whoa!
How big is thing?
Big boy.
Bigger than yours.
Yeah, that one big. That one big on that side.
At the back. I come along here with him.
Yeah. So far recording all this. You can just touch it back at the GoPro Raamiz and see if it's recording. Just touch it back.
Yeah.
Nice. No, just touch it back and also come on.
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
I had to do that because I want out now. Just put the shrimp in.
Alright guys, we're fighting this fish about 4 minutes, 5 minutes. Should be getting tired now. Very thin leader, 20 pound test. 8 pound test braid. 2000 size reel.
Wow.
Snook Master fighting on the next side.
What's the anchor rope?
Trying to land but don't want to rush him.
You get tired, you go float yourself.
This one just going in circles. Skipper Raamiz is going to land him now for me there. Hopefully they'll chief off before that. Yeah, Raamiz, he's floating there now. Oh no, he's not still swimming. Oh, this thing big boy. That's not I'm fighting all the time. I'm gonna make sure he's dead there.
Yeah, hold on.
Come on, land on film.
Yeah. Come here, lower. You're too high. Come here. I give him some time. If you want to come in full throttle, you don't hold on.
Think he dead there? Alright, let's bring him in there for you. If he so if you hold it and you pull up, just let it go, right? Right, he dead there. Hold him out tight, eh?
Maybe you do your sound inside again.
You have him?
No, like here. He's some.
You still home? I thought you had him. Alright. You gotta hold him, now. This fish still fighting, boy. Yeah, he's got a video of them holding them to release him there.
Still have plenty of energy.
No, he dead there.
Now you're holding there, boy.
He dead there.
Push on again, hold him there.
When you get that, hold him out tight.
Hold it tight, right? Tell me when you have it. You have him? You gotta hold him with 2 hands, dog. You can't hold him with 1 hand.
Come on, I'll hold him.
I'll try now.
Come on, hold your run. Let me hold him.
You can try. I'll hold him.
Okay, hold him. One more chance. Yeah, you good right there. Let's go ahead. Hold him, and then hold the film in. Put 1 hand underneath. Nice! Nice! Oh. Knife top on there. I think he's close to 8.5, 10 pounds.
Yes.
So Master gave me 8. Yeah.
Your man pulls there.
Just now, I'm just getting Raamiz more.
So I'm watching this hook on now.
Don't worry, you can't do the hook inside here.
No, it's not.
Raamiz, let's take a picture for me.
Yeah. Yeah, man.
Just now.
You have it?
Yeah.
You have it?
Yeah, I have it.
Nice fish, boy.
Nice top on here, guys. Nice. Alright, Ming, let's take the pliers on hook him with him. I'll hold him. Big boy. Take your time. No rush. Come now, let fellas come in front now, man. Take a little shot. Nice, excellent.
The school they're feeling real nice. Check it out.
Nice fish, boy. Alright, guys, we're just going to revive him a little bit. You good to go, yes?
Yeah, that's
Okay. Good to go.
Gloves. So he had gloves? I get gloves.
Whoa, what the hell is that?
The feeding?
I tell you, the feeding, boy. Every fish was swallowed the bait so far, boy. Sardine, boy. Sardine, boy. Right in? Shit, not ugly, sorry. Yeah, you have him. I see that. I hope I get on camera. Yeah, boy.
Smally.
Yeah, once you hook him with that hook, he ain't coming out. Well done, Ming. I seen a good hook set there. Fight him. Huh? Yeah, will I? Let's fight him out in a minute. I want to get him so fresh with that hook either.
One pull it.
Ooh, a big one coming there, boy. Wait, let me hold him one time. You give up already? Give me. No, you know we crack up. You see me?
Biggest fatty bit. Oh god. Yeah, come on, you do it.
Snook Master was his biggest for the day. That he hold. He had a nice big one at
I touched that one. That's fine.
he touched him, but we need to get a good picture of him.
Oh, hey, oh my god. You got a right. A nice one.
Man, just dropping lows.
Real nice one, Ming. Wait, follow that out no way.
They won't take me next to the boat just now, boy. What do you going through though? Hi guys, you can see this deer is gone totally mashed up here. So we're going to take it and flip it. Put the hook through the next side. See if this can catch a fish.
Nice one, there. GoPro dead guy, this the captain had a set line out of that video, he just hanging in the back of the boat. Fat snook. Carrying that one home to ETC. GoPro, what's the set line bait? Set line bait. The line just hanging out of the boat. Fat snook. Ming, pick up that fish now. I was now coming in the back to catch that fish, you know. I mean, I'll catch a fish, I was going to catch one. Nice, how big that one? Well done, fat snook. Nice one. Yeah. Hi guys, GoPro died, ended up catching a whole set of these small snook. Not much to see, but real fun action from the real Nutz. This one's real small. Get some bigger than this. I'm gonna make one cast and see if I can catch one more to show you. Just because I have no footage of it on the GoPro. I'm catching them. Snook Master jumping my vibes. Long and skinny. Come on, Snook. Make it rough. No flip him. Make a lamp swim a little bit. He ain't coming out from now. No flip him, boy. Chill with that nice. Hold him, a big one, boy. That's not. He will be fresh. Wait. Oh yeah, on the troll. Another one on the troll here, guys. Small fella, small fella. Whoa. When I'm trying to hold him, this line is pretty thick. I can't record. That's it right by the boat. Yeah. Right, good. This is the size you see playing there, so. Nice one, healthy. That's good.
Let's turn his head into the current a little bit. Catch back yourself. There you go.
Alright guys, we're now driving back home. GoPro died. Didn't get any end footage there. Real small snook. No outro. Snook Master I back there. Catchy tail to catch a tarpon. Little catchy tail. Overall.
I'm only trolling.
Yeah, we started blaze fish trolling though. We catch about 5. I don't know. Quite a few tarpon just trolling back in. But again, the GoPro was. And Snook Master hooked that true monster in the river. A river tarpon. Maybe about 30 pounds. Could have been. But of course, it's Snook Master, so you get it. So if you guys enjoyed this episode of Coastal Fishing, till the next one, keep fishing.
Mark, go Paul.
Oh yeah, shout out to Mark, go Paul. I hope this make the video. Shout out to Mark, go Paul, Snook Master partner. Keep fishing. Fish on.